Social Science 6th class, part 2nd. History, chapter 13, The Great Guptas. Exercises, questions and answers. Let's begin with the fill in the blanks with the appropriate words. 1. The capital of Guptas dash Pataliputra or Patliputra. Second, the Gupta king who held the title Kaviraja was dash Samudragupta. Next 3, the work of Mudrakshasa was written by dash Vishakadatta. Next 4, Mahakavi who had the title of Kavi Kula Guru was dash Kalidasa. Next question number 2, answer the following questions. 5. Which emperor's details are there in the pillar inscription of Allahabad? The inscription gives details of Samudragupta. Next 6. Who was the Chinese pilgrim who visited India during the Gupta period? Fahian. Fazian. Next 7. Name any one play of Kalidasa. Kalidasa has 3 plays. First, world famous Abhigyana Shakuntalam. Next, Malvikagnimitra. Third, Vikramorvashi. Next, question number 8. Who wrote Mratchakatika? Poet Kavi Shudraka. Next, 9. Which dictionary was composed by Amarasimha? Amarakosha. Answer. 10. Who was the famous mathematician of Gupta period? Aryabhatta. Next, question number 3. Discuss in group and answer. 11. Describe the achievements of Samudragupta, the great warrior and conqueror. Defeated 9 kings in the North India and 12 kings in the South India. Performed Ashwa Medhayaga to celebrate victories. Called Kaviraja. Killed poet and musician. His coins show him playing veena. Promoted art, education and culture. His rule marked the rise of Gupta Empire's power and prestige. Next, question number 12. Explain the contributions of the Guptas to Sanskrit literature. Gupta age is known as a golden age of Sanskrit literature. Kalidasa wrote plays Abhigyana Shakuntalam, Malvikagnimitra, Vikramorvashi and poems Raghuvamsha, Kumarasambhava, Meghaduta, Ritusamhara. Vishakadatta wrote Mudrakshasa. Poet Shudraka wrote Mratchakatika. Vishnu Sharma wrote Panchatantra. Amarasimha, Amarakosha in Sanskrit dictionary. Their works enriched Indian literature and became classics of the world heritage. Next, question number 4. Match the list A with the list B. List A and list B. Already these are matched. First A, Kaviraja, Samudragupta. Second, Vikramaditya, Chandragupta the second. Third, Fahian, Fokoki or Ghukoki. And fourth, Mehroli, Iron Pillar. And Varahamira, Astronomy.